Can we stop calling them creamy? Last time I checked, creamy was not a sound. Nah. Have you guys seen the new colorways for the Ajaz AK35 IV3? This is that creamy keyboard that everyone's creaming over. Not only are you getting a creamy sound, but you're getting a creamy knob, a creamy LCD screen, and creamy media buttons. And this is full size, so you're getting the large shift key and the large zero. This is Ajaz's newest restock of these creamy keyboards. Not only are you getting the regular keycaps that come with the keyboard, but Ajaz is also sending you with a 136 keycap set, which as you can tell looks super sick. With the white case and the gray to black gradient keycaps, I think this gives some super stealthy, like Stormtrooper vibes. Or you can pick the option with the blue gradient keycaps. You're still getting that beautiful gasket mounted structure to create that perfect amount of flex when you're typing. And to get that creamy sounding keyboard, Ajaz included some creamy sounding switches called the avocados. Those avocado switches are mounted on an FR4 plate, and you're getting south facing RGB. You are getting tri-mode connectivity with this keyboard, so you can run it wired or wireless with Bluetooth or with this 2.4 dongle. There is very limited supply of these new keycap options for the AK35 IP3. So if you were looking for one of the sickest pre-built creamy keyboards that's full size, has a knob, and an LCD screen, I left you that link below. Aren't you the voice actor for Invincible and the actor for The Walking Dead? You know, it's been pretty tough getting acting jobs out there right now, so I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that the Ola F75 is still on a crazy sale right now. This super stealthy one with the gray to black gradient keycaps is only 65 bucks, and if you don't like the way this looks, they have the model with the white case that is only 50 bucks. Good deals on these keyboards is the perfect way to start off the new year. You're getting tri-mode connectivity, so you can run this wired or wireless. You're getting a knob, a gasket mounted structure, the amazing Reaper switch with a built-in RGB diffuser, and that Reaper switch is mounted on a south-facing PCB if you get this Pro model. Plus, I think this is one of the creamiest sounding keyboards right out of the box. If Glenn was cruising around during the zombie apocalypse and he needed a keyboard, there is no doubt that this is the keyboard that he would use. Links below. Everyone is always asking me what 60 or 65% keyboard I recommend. Well, I wanted to show you my absolute favorite 65%, and this one is called the Youngzy AL68. You already know I am a huge fan of a full aluminum case, but as you can see, there is a weighted mirrored finish backplate as well, and there's a cool mount design that's cut into the mirrored backplate. Now that I've been using keyboards with knobs, this is an absolute must-have for me. But another thing that is an absolute must-have is VIA support, which the Youngzy AL68 has. You're also getting tri-mode connectivity, so you can run this wired with Bluetooth or with this 2.4 dongle. I went ahead and opted for the Cocoa Cream V2 switches. These switches are super smooth because they're pre-lubed and they feel very snappy, which I'm a huge fan of. This is obviously a hot swappable keyboard, but you can swap any 3 or 5 pin switch in here. And if you did notice, this is a south facing PCB, which is a huge bonus for me. To get all this in a keyboard under $100 is honestly crazy to me. This has a very budget price tag with some very big features. This AL68 literally checks all the boxes for me personally, and if it checks all your boxes as well, I left you that link below.